This is a Portia spider. Rather than use a web, Portia ventures out in search of prey. Next, her second superpower, superb eyesight. Portia is a spider-eating spider. This raises a few problems. Her lunch is 3 times her size, packed with venom and surrounded by a sticky trap. Mission impossible? Not at all, because of her third superpower. Portia is a genius. She can map her world in 3 dimensions and formulate a plan of attack. She can have an idea. Right on target, and safely behind those fangs.